Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to do a back roll. Okay, so this may work really well like if someone has pushed you and how to go backwards and do a roll. Now I don't want to get my white shirt all messed up on the grass. They put this on, but basically, can they see my feet on the camera? Okay, well hold on. Can they see my feet now? Here, make it so they can see my feet. Okay, so basically, when you go, you kind of want to put one foot back like this, one foot, and you kind of want to go down, okay? Okay, you can bring it up now. But do it so they can, maybe we can adjust the camera. So let me go ahead and put this on. Okay. So like if I got pushed or something, one thing to do, take here, come down, like so, okay? So come here, boom, and I get pushed, boom. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm right here, someone pushes me. I put this foot behind, and it may kind of go fast. Kind of put the foot behind. And come up. Okay, let's do it again. So this time I want someone to shove me. Here, will you come give me a push? So what's gonna happen is the person's going to give me a push, and I'm going to do the roll, and then come up. Hopefully. Okay, let's go. Give me a push. Okay? So, my friends, leg behind, come down, like that, and go. Let's do it again. Give me a push. Can they see on camera you pushing me? So he's gonna give me a push on the chest, right? Okay, my friends, that's how to do a back roll. I also want to do a video on how to do a front roll. I love you all, you're amazing. God loves you. Thank you so much for watching. God has a plan, a purpose for your life, and you're very special. God loves you. Bye.